What do we want?
Okay. My name is Ashraf Kasirye. Share and invite everyone that is supposed to be viewing whatever is going on here in Washington, D.C. Share and invite everyone that is going to be here at Washington, D.C. I hope I'm being heard. Meanwhile, we have started.
Washington, viva! Viva! Viva Uganda, viva! Viva! What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Now! What do we want? Now! Arrest him, Museveni! 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 Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! No justice! No justice! No peace! No justice!
That's ready we.
No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No peace! No peace!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes!
we know Dictator Museveni is
Invited Museveni into the White House to come into the White House to kill the Ugandans. We said no to Joe Biden. We continue to put in money into Museveni. Arrest 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 Museveni. The people power. Our power. Our power. People power. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. The struggle is over. We shall win. We shall win.
Just reminding you members, I'm sorry, the network wasn't good for me. Just remind you, Ugandans have gathered here at the entrance of the White House, like you see there, and the people are demanding the freedom. The word is one, freedom. Many people have been killed in Uganda, many people are being abducted, but how come a country that says it is a first world country invites a dictator that has killed people just to stick himself in power? So Ugandans have gathered here at Washington, D.C. to show their concern on why Museveni should be invited here and why should America continue to fund the dictator in Uganda. Of course, I'm here to report about all this. You can see the banners they have. These are the people that have been abducted, others tortured, seriously tortured. The MPs are imprisoned for nothing but just for supporting Bobi Wine. Of course, there are also other countries demanding whatever they are demanding. You can see Ugandans who have been tortured.
Come on, Biden! Shame on Biden! 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 Come on, shame on Biden! Come on, Biden! Shame on Biden!
Very soon we're going to be seeing this on Kk TV.
Yes! America is a democratic country. Sure. Why are they calling dictators? I don't know. Why are they inviting dictators? Yes! Shame on Joe! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, yes! America said Museveni stole the election. Yes! Why are they inviting him? Shame on Joe! 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 Shame on Biden! Shame on Biden! Ladies and gentlemen, yes! Museveni should stop abduction. Yes! In our country, Uganda. Yes! Shame on Joe! Shame on Joe! Shame on Joe! Shame on Joe! Arrest Museveni! Arrest Museveni! Museveni. Brother 7 years is enough. Enough 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 is enough. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Ladies and gentlemen, they are using American tax money to sponsor Museveni. To sponsor our terror. In our country, Uganda. Americans are paying a lot of money for Ugandans to be killed. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. And the family with Museveni. Who has been in the car for 37 years.
Shame on Joe.
Shame on Joe.
We want to start marching to the State Department. Let it be signed.
People power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power.
They got the baby
Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Stop supporting the dictator.
Stop supporting the dictator.
Stop supporting Museveni.
Stop supporting Museveni.
Stop supporting the dictator.
Stop supporting the dictator.
Stop supporting Museveni.
Stop supporting Museveni. Let's go. We are fighting for freedom. Give me that. Got it from Bob. Behind the flag. Behind the postcode. Everybody, we are fighting for freedom. Sibaulira. We are fighting for freedom. Sibaulira. We are fighting for freedom. Baba Uganda, bali Ulaya. We are fighting for freedom. Tunonyechi wano. We are fighting for freedom. Sibaulira. We are fighting for freedom. Sibaulira. We are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom. We are what? We are fighting for freedom. 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 Freedom in Uganda. We are fighting for freedom. Freedom in Uganda. We are fighting for freedom. Freedom in Uganda. We are fighting for freedom. Why are you here? Freedom. Why are you here? Uganda is bleeding. 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 Arrest Museveni. 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 Sibaulira naye. Arrest Museveni. Umulanganira awuye. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. 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 Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Now. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. 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 Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. shall wear this crown. When the struggle is over, in the new Uganda, what do you want? Peace. What do you want? Now. What do you want? Peace. What do you want? Now. What do you want? What do you want? Now. What do you want? What do you want? Now. Arrest him 7 now. Arrest him 7 now. Arrest him 7 now. Arrest him 7 now. Sirauri now. Now. Arrest him 7 now. Arrest him 7 now. People power. Our power. People power.
Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Hey, Museveni is bleeding.
Our power. We are
Hey.
Power, yes.
Yeah, they are coming out. Museveni is coming out. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
People power. People power. Uganda, what do you want? What do you want? Freedom. What do you want? No. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Why is US cooperating with the dictators in Africa? Why is US cooperating with the dictators in Africa? Sure. What a scam. We need freedom. What do you want? No. We need freedom. We need freedom. Arrest Museveni now. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Museveni is a terrorist. Museveni is a terrorist. Museveni is a terrorist. Museveni is a terrorist. Arrest him. A dictator. Dictator. Arrest him now. Arrest him now. Arrest Museveni now. Now. Joe Biden, you need to stop dealing with Museveni. Yes, sir. He has killed so many lives in Uganda. President Joe Biden, you have a moral integrity of democracy. Yes.
Free Uganda. Joe Biden must stop funding the dictator. United States taxpayer, your money is going to kill our people in Uganda. We are calling upon Joe Biden administration to stop funding the dictator of Uganda. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a thief. Museveni is a killer. He has been a dictator for 37 years. We are calling upon the United States citizens to reject Joe Biden for inviting the Museveni regime to the White House. We say no to Joe Biden, no to Museveni. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a killer. Shame on Joe. 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 Shame on Biden. 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 Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. Shame on Joe. Shame on Joe. Shame on Biden. Shame on Biden. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. We want it now. What do we want? Justice. When do we want it now? What do we want? Justice. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Justice. When do we want it? Now. The people power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power.
is bleeding. Africa is bleeding. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Yes, they are heading to the State Department. The State Department, and the police is escorting them, accompanying them as they express themselves. So that's why they are heading to the State Department.
Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. People power. Our power. People power. What we want? Freedom. What we want is now. What we want? Freedom. When we want it now. What we want? Freedom. When we want it now. What we want? Freedom. When we want it now. The people power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. No justice. No peace. No justice. No justice. No justice. No peace. No peace. No justice. No justice. No peace. No peace. No justice. No justice. No peace. What do we want? Freedom. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Freedom. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Freedom. When do we want it? Now. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Africa is bleeding. Our mothers are dying. Our mothers are dying. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Kamala? Where is Kamala? Uganda is bleeding.
Yes, all governments can do is just raising their voices to call out countries like USA to respect human rights. The word is freedom. They are demanding for freedom. Enough. Freedom. Being able to vote, being able to oppose a tyranny, and being able not to be killed because someone is opposing the dictator. That is the message. The message is we want freedom.
When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Freedom. When do we want it? Now. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Africans are dying. Africans are dying. Where is Kamala? Where is Kamala? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is bleeding? Where is bleeding? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is
The message is one. Ugandans are dying because of the dictatorship they are going through. And it is something that can't be accepted for President Joe Biden and his to claim them being Democrats and invite a dictator, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, mother Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, to come here Africa Summit. At least the message is being sent.
Ugandans are tired. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Kamala? Where is Kamala? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken?
Yasin Auma was killed by allegedly Museveni's cause. Frank Senteza was killed on the day I was shot. Many other people have been abducted. No answers have been provided.
When do we want it now? What do we want? Freedom. When do we want it now? People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Now. Now.
Yes, the message is still one. Uganda is bleeding. Why would a president, Joe Biden and his team, Kamala Harris, invite a dictator, a person who keeps murdering people, torturing them because they support the opposition? Bobi Wine is a Ugandan. He was a presidential candidate, but because of him, many people have been arrested, kidnapped, and others have been killed. Jamshid Kavuma was arrested, kidnapped, later on brought after a month to court. Jamshid Kavuma had been shot, was shot in the thigh, and then charged with destroying the car in which he was abducted. Can you imagine such a government? So tough. So the message is, why should Biden and his team invite a dictator here? Under what deal?
Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Blinken. Chairman Blinken. Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Harris. Chairman Mercury. 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 Stop Eco. 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 Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Remember, this struggle is not only for one person. Robert Chagulanyi Ssentamu, or anyone close to him, it's for all Ugandans, because every Ugandan is a target of abduction, being tortured and being killed. So everyone is participating in this as a Ugandan, not as a Noob supporter, not as a Bobi supporter. That's why it is called people power. The power comes from the people.
No justice! No justice! No peace!
And whatever comes next,
no justice! No justice! No peace! Arrest Nabanja!
it's for Ugandans. This is my brother Shane Williams. He's also doing the work.
Arrest Natasha!
Many brothers are here.
Arrest
Hillary.
Arrest Sotapide!
This is Kk.
People power! People power! People power! People power! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! Chairman Biden! What do we want? Freedom! What do we want is now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! People power! Our power! People power! Our power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! NUP everywhere! Everywhere! NUP! NUP everywhere! Everywhere! NUP! Viva Boston! Viva! Viva! Viva New York! Viva! Viva! Viva DMV! Viva! Viva! Viva California! Viva! Viva! Viva Chicago! Viva! Viva! Viva Seattle! Viva! Viva! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now!
Uganda is bleeding! 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 Uganda is bleeding!
The message is one. We want freedom. We want to be able to elect leaders, not to be able to fear to die because we oppose the tyranny.
Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. freedom. Free political prisoners in Uganda. Free political prisoners in Uganda. Museveni is a murderer. Uganda is bleeding. Museveni is a murderer.
Stop inviting dictators.
Stop inviting dictators.
Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni.
Now.
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 People power.
Our power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Boston. NUP. Boston.
NUP.
These Ugandans are heading to the State Department to do the demonstration that side, and after that they'll be coming back to the White House, all aimed at sending the message. So for this, the disruption.
Arrest Museveni! Arrest Museveni! Arrest Museveni! Arrest Museveni! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No peace! No justice! No justice! No peace! No peace! No justice! No justice! No peace! No peace! No justice! Where's Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where's Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Ugandans are dying. Ugandans are bleeding. Ugandans are dying. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Kamala? Where is Kamala? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Arrest Museveni. 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 Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. 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 Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Uganda is bleeding. 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 US is funding. US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Where is Biden? 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 Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni. Arrest Museveni now.
The gate's open.
Arrest Museveni now. 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 Arrest Museveni now.
This is the State Department.
Arrest Museveni now. Arrest Museveni now. Arrest Museveni now.
And the Ugandans are ready to send the message, because the word is just one single word: freedom, which is being denied to them, by the dictator that has been invited here in the US. Here in the US to come and be part of, take look. That is MP Alan Sewanyana, who has been arrested and imprisoned without any charge that can be justified. This is Chivala Majon Bosco, who was arrested in 2019. He has never been seen. The gentleman down there, the same thing. This gentleman, the same thing. This gentleman, the same thing. All these guys have been kidnapped, but they have never been seen back to
these are the
their
people that have
homes.
been killed by Museveni's regime. We have a picture displayed here. These people have been killed by the regime in Uganda. Our people have been killed by the Museveni regime. And the people that are funding that is the U.S. taxpayer. We are calling upon the United States to stop funding the regime in Uganda. Uganda is bleeding. U.S. is funding. Uganda is bleeding. U.S. is funding. Uganda is murder. 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 This is where they stand usually when we come. They will record us from here. We're not going over them, but these people that are different.
So you can suggest of the invitation of a dictator.
Fighting for freedom.
Inviting a dictator in the first world country is something anyone should think about.
We are fighting for freedom. Why are you here? Why are you here? We are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom. Uganda is bleeding. 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 U.S. is funding. 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 Uganda is bleeding. The 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 U.S. is funding. Uganda is bleeding.
Kufuna moto ya statement yako.
I want us to have the view what our leader Dr. Kauma and Dr. Kauma. Uganda is bleeding. U.S. is funding. U.S. is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Okay, let's have our sister talk to us. Yes, if you want to get a
I think someone should give us some message, real message.
All right.
What's up, big man? You're supposed to let me behind it.
All right. People power, our power. People power, our power. Our power. People power. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning we are gathered here at the State Department to express our feelings towards the dictator Museveni's regime, which has been in power for 37 years.
Yes.
These people are partners also in the abduction of human beings in Uganda.
Yes.
US is partnering with General Museveni to abduct Ugandans.
Yes.
US is partnering with General Museveni to kill Ugandans.
Yes.
US is partnering with General Museveni to steal elections.
They should stop.
US is a democratic country.
Sure.
Why are they inviting a dictator who has been in power for 37 years? Museveni came to power when Ronald Reagan was the president. Shame! After 37 years, President Biden has the guts to invite him to White House. Shame! How do you dine with a dictator? Shame! A renowned dictator. Shame! In Africa. Shame! Ugandans stand up. Shame! This is the time that we have to fight. Shame! We have to speak to power. Yes. Or we shall die like cockroaches. We have to speak to power. Yes. Or we shall die like fools. Yes. We have to stand up. Yes. We have to die standing. Yes. Not to die kneeling. Yes. We must die standing. Yes. Not die kneeling. Yes. Ugandans, this is a message that should go to Anthony Blinken. Yes. This is a message to Anthony Blinken. Yes. Think about the humans in Uganda. Yes. Think about the people in Uganda. Yes. Before you issue billions of dollars to Museveni. Yes. Think about humanity. Yes. Think about the murders that Museveni has committed. Yes. Who killed Kawesi? Museveni. Who killed Kagezi? Museveni. Who killed Chumira? Museveni. Who killed Kawesi? Museveni. Who killed Kagezi? Museveni. Who killed Chumira? Museveni. Who killed Musata? Museveni. Who killed Musata? Museveni. Who killed Musata? Museveni. Who killed Chumira? Museveni. Who killed Musata? Museveni. Who killed Musata? Ladies and gentlemen, we've had the President Hillary Clinton. He was in power when Museveni is the president. Yes. We've had Ronald Reagan when Museveni is in power. We've had Hillary Clinton when Museveni is in power. We've had Bill Clinton when Museveni is in power. We've had Bush Senior when Museveni is in power. We've had Bush Junior when Museveni is in power. We've had Biden. We've had Obama when Museveni is in power. We have in Biden right now. Museveni is in power. We've had Trump. We've had Trump. Museveni is in power. We've had Biden. Museveni is in power. People are dying. How many more should die? How many more should die for the US to listen? No more. How many should die? No more. For the US to wake up? No more. Stop burning Museveni. Stop burning Museveni. Stop burning Museveni. Stop burning Museveni. Think about Ugandans. Think about Uganda. Human rights in Ugandans don't matter. Stop fighting Museveni. Human rights in Uganda doesn't matter. Stop fighting Museveni. Human rights in Uganda doesn't matter. Stop fighting Museveni. Why are you dealing with a despot? Stop fighting Museveni. Why are you dealing with a terrorist? Stop fighting Museveni. Why are you dealing with a dictator? Stop fighting Museveni. Why is Biden dining with the dictator? Stop fighting Museveni. Why is he in the White House? Stop fighting Museveni. Why is he in the White House? Stop fighting Museveni. Arrest Kataha. Stop fighting Museveni. Arrest Otapire. Arrest Muhozi. Arrest Muhozi. Arrest Muhozi. Arrest Kataha. Arrest Muhozi. Arrest Natasha. Arrest Natasha. Arrest Diana. Arrest Patience. Arrest Rabogo. Arrest Rabogo. Arrest Rabogo. Arrest Karujire. Arrest Karujire. Arrest Karujire. Arrest Chiwanuka. Arrest Chiwanuka. Arrest Chiwanuka. Arrest Amongo.
members, let us also talk to this lady. She's part of us. We don't know what she's demonstrating about, but she can also tell us about Madam. Right now, we are Ugandans here demonstrating about the invite of President Museveni, who is the dictator.
Yes.
What is the party?
How long you guys are going to be here?
You can ask the leaders here, please. First of all, you personally, why are you here?
I was at the White House, and I was at the White House. Oh, yeah. My name is Roya. I came today to protest for Iran. I am on a hunger strike. Today is my second day. I took off from my work to come and protest to free prisoners in Iran and regime change in Iran, and also get rid of the mullahs in Iran. I met my sisters. I was listening to the radio, and I find out what's going on. We connected and we support each other because we are in here for the same cause, getting rid of the dictators and injustice people who are running and leading countries around the world. That's why I am here.
What are some of the things that have happened to you back in Iran that make you come here and demonstrate?
I lost the freedom. I lost family members and pressure, oppression, no freedom to do anything in Iran after revolution, and we left Iran. I left Iran 10 years after being under the government of the Islamic regime in Iran, and I came to Canada and now in America.
We are so happy being together with you, and we continue being together. Okay, that one is the lady. She's Yasha from Iran. She also has issues to raise up, and right now we are here to see a demonstration of Ugandans.
Fellow Ugandans, fellow Ugandans, fellow Ugandans. It's a beautiful day, fellow Ugandans. It's a beautiful day because all of you traveled from far away, from Boston, from New York, from Maryland, from all across America to be here today. So thank you so much for loving your country. Thank you so much for standing up for your country. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for standing up for the values of our brothers and sisters in Uganda. We are here today to fight for the values of our people. We are here today to speak for the voiceless. We are here today to speak for the 45 million Ugandans who don't have a voice, who don't have jobs, who need opportunities. Yes, sir. Ugandans who are like us, who just want a chance to feed their families. Yes, sir. Ugandans who want a chance to live. Ugandans who want a chance to vote for their leaders without being abducted. We are here to demand justice. We are here to demand peace. We are here to demand change in power in Uganda. Yes, sir. Because Museveni has been in power since 1986. Enough is enough. 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 We are here to tell President Biden. Yes. We are here to tell VP Kamala Harris. Yes. We are here to tell Secretary Blinken that Africa has 49 dictators that were invited at this summit. Yes. We don't want dictators in the United States. Yes. This is the land of the free. Yes. This is the land of the shining city on the hill. Yes. We do not want dictators dying on the shining city on the hill. Yes. We do not want Uganda under President Museveni dying on the shining city on the hill. Yes. We want freedom. We want individual liberties for Uganda. We want justice for Ugandans. We are here today to make two demands. One of the demands we want is to return all Ugandans that have been abducted. We want every Ugandan that has been abducted by the Museveni regime to be freed immediately. We want individual liberties for all Ugandans. We want freedom of speech for all Ugandans. We want freedom of expression for all Ugandans. We want every Ugandan to have a right to protest. We have every Ugandan to have a right to organize. We have our politicians in the opposition to have a right to mobilize their members. have a right to live, we have a right to make a living, and we want anyone to stop harassing our leader, Honorable Saddam Chagwan. Fellow Ugandans, we are here today because we want change in Uganda. We are here today because we want a new Uganda. We are here today because the only person who is going to deliver a new Uganda is the National Unity Platform. We are here today to stand up for our people. We are here to demand justice. We are here to demand equality under the law. Freedom of speech. Freedom of expression. Where is Biden? 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 Where is Blinken? Where is Biden? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Biden? Where is Biden? Where is Blinken? Where is Blinken? Where is Biden?
The message continues. Freedom is the key message.
Where is Blinken?
Ugandans being abducted, being tortured, being killed every day. All regions of Uganda, central, northern, eastern, and western. Ugandans being kidnapped, being tortured, and being killed just because they support the opposition in the presidential tyranny of Mr. Bobi, who was wrongly elected, very duly elected as the president in 2021. I myself was there. I myself was shocked. We're working. So I think I have a lot of information about that. So why should this dictator be invited in the US? Why? That is the message.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are also joined by our African brothers and sisters from Ethiopia, from the Oromo tribe. Free Oromo people! Free Oromo people! Free Oromo people! Free Oromo people! We are also joined by our sister from Iran. Free Iranians! Free Iranians! Free Iranians! Human rights matters! Free Iranians! Free Iranians! Free Oromo! Free Oromo! Free Iranians! Free Oromo! Free Oromo! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! People power! People power! Our power! People power! Our power! Yes, comrades! Good morning, comrades! Good morning, comrades!
Many people have been abducted because of supporting NUP, the National Unity Platform. Many people have been abducted and tortured because of supporting Bobi Wine. If you kill a people power person, you get abducted.
Yes! Tonight we are here to show our dissatisfaction with this administration.
You get abducted, you get being tortured, you get being killed because you support the opposition, you support the leader of the opposition, that is Bobi Wine. But just
but when we are down with dictators, we know that Okutabangawo is here. It's a dictator. We know that Ahmed here. Ahmed, the one of Ethiopia. Yes, sir, the dictator. We know that Bobi and Cameroon. It's a dictator. We know that Kaka. Dictator. So as the African, of Guinea, we have to rise up against these dictators. We cannot rely on America anymore. This is not our ally. We are only interested in our resources. America has to approach accountability. All the lives we lost in Africa. land on their hands. These are hypocrites. As Africans, we have to unite against the enemies of Africa. Africa deserves liberty. Africa deserves freedom. Africa deserves justice. Our comrades in Ethiopia, they are suffering because of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. He has massacred Ethiopia. That has to stop. Museveni is supposed Uganda. Museveni is supposed Uganda. Museveni is president. And all is done on the watch of America. That has to stop. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. This thing is low. Let me get a louder one. We want freedom. Preach, 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 preach better, preach better, preach. Now, comrades, preach. Am I loud and clear? Yes, sir. Now, as comrade has told you,
okay, now I'm going to be showing you some of the photos here once again to remind you of the things that are making all these Ugandans come out here. Now take a look. This is John Bosco, the guy who was abducted in 2019, and this guy has never been seen back to his family. His crime was him being a People Power supporter, him being the supporter of NUP. These are MPs, Alan Sewanyana and Muhammad Sekenya. They were arrested, taken to court, granted bail, but tell you what? Nothing has ever been brought to court. They are being tortured there because they become sick. They are being held incommunicado without being hoped to come out. Even when the courts decided that they should be out. Their crime is literally supporting NUP, supporting Bobi Wine, and all that stuff. Take a look at all these other people. All of them have been abducted and they are not being seen to where they should be in their families. Now when you look at these messages, 7 stop abductions in Uganda, Ugandans mean what they are saying. USA stop funding the dictator 7, they mean what they are saying. These are the messages they are sending to Biden, Kamala Harris, and all the people. They are saying Africa shouldn't have the person like Museveni being present.
No more fooling of Africans. No more hypocrisy. We have to say it the way it is. Do not be intimidated. In America, we have the First Amendment. Say it the way it is. Don't be cowards. Every time we're coming here to demand for a bare minimum. And they are not acting. They think we are fools. That has to stop. So as Africans, we are watching. As Ugandans, it is time to hold Biden accountable. Because the foreign policy of America has failed. So America has now working foreign policy in Africa. It is time. Now, Biden, now, and the US, now, to reform the foreign policy on Africa, now, and mainly on Uganda, now, because their foreign policy is bogus, now, it is shit, now, working, now, we want a working foreign policy, yes, sir, a foreign policy, that fights for democracy, a foreign policy, that fights for human rights, a foreign policy, that fights for free and fair elections, not a policy that will stay dictated in 70. The time has come, to say that is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. People power. Our power. People power. America. Ronald Reagan. He came and left.
Yes.
They got Bush Senior.
Yes.
He came and left. They got Bill Clinton.
Yes.
He came and left.
Yes.
They got Barack Obama.
Yes.
He came and left.
Yes.
They got George Bush Jr.
Yes.
He came and left.
Yes.
Donald Trump.
Yes.
He came and left.
Yes.
Now it's Biden.
Yes.
So for them, they want fundamental change.
Yes.
But they think as Africans, we don't deserve democracy. That is called hypocrisy. Those are double standards. Now we all know America. Yes. Is a superpower. Yes. As a superpower. Yes. You have to police the entire world. Yes. They have failed. They have failed to perform their duty. That is failure. So we are giving Biden's administration a B+. Because they have failed. Yes. It's time. Yes. We have a chance. Yes. To improve. Yes. And bring sanity. Yes. We are going policy. Yes. We have to do the right thing. Yes. So Museveni has to go. Museveni must go. Museveni has to go. Museveni must 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 go. Now he has to go. Yes. Where is Blinken? He's sleeping. Blinken has told us. You want the Secretary of State. Blinken is that is going to fight for democracy. Yes. But Blinken is a failure. Yes. You want the Vice President. Blinken who is going to fight for us. Yes. No matter how it has failed. You want a U.S. President who will defend us. Biden has failed. Where are they now? They are telling him to dictator. What is a shame? Bobi and Cameroon have been murdering these people. Kagame in Rwanda is murdering these people. Museveni in Uganda is murdering Uganda. Abiy Ahmed in Ethiopia is murdering the people. Is that democracy? No. So who has failed? America. So it is time as Uganda to in diaspora. Make the man accountable. Hold Biden accountable. Because Biden has to stop his double standards. We are sick and tired. Double standards. We are sick and tired of carrying the Ugandans. I will speak today. Thousands of Ugandans are rotting in jail. For opposing Museveni. We all know. He said it's democracy. So fascists like Museveni have to go now. We all know. Museveni is a puppet of the US. Museveni is a what? A puppet is a rat like the US. That's why they are giving him $1 billion every year. That is shameful. So it is time to reorganize ourselves in diaspora and demand for more. We have to hold them accountable. So from here, we have to go where Museveni is and call him out. Arrest him now. We have to go to Museveni's hotel and make noise out. Arrest him now. He doesn't sleep. He has to pack his bags and leave America. From here, now we are going to the hotel of Museveni. He will not sleep in a hotel. He has to pack his bags and leave America. He chased us out from Uganda. We came here and he's disturbing us. And Biden is having wine with him. That is hypocrisy. Let's fight back for our rights. Let's fight back for our freedom. Let's fight back for our country. Let's fight back for our relatives. move forward. Without Africa. America needs Africa. That's why Biden on his knees and licking the asses of his dictator. You cannot lick the asses. Yes, dictators. Yes, like Museveni. Biden is weak because you want our resources. Those are the standards. Don't fear. Yes. Throw America out. Yes. Throw Biden out. Yes. Because Biden has failed. Yes. Clinton has failed. Kamala has failed. It's time. Yes. For America. Yes. To go back. Yes. To what they stood for. Yes. Nobody can come out. Nobody can come out. Don't come America. Yes. They are conquering dictators. Yes! They are massacring us, bro. Yes! They're telling Biden. Yes! And you sanction. Yes! All those abusing the rights of Ugandans. He's doing nothing. That's hypocrisy. Political prisoners. Yes! Are working in jail. President Biden.
Police officers trying to talk to the leader of USA under the NUP and People Power, that's Dr. Kauma. Yes, and is going to deliver a statement inside the State Department about their concerns as people continue to demonstrate right here outside the State of Department building. The little they can do is send a message out about abductions, murders, killing Ugandans, abuse of human rights happening in Uganda.
Shame on Biden! Shame on Biden! Shame on Biden! Shame on Biden! Now let's go Blinken. Come here. About the oil. Yes. We have to stop the East African crude oil pipeline. Income is a climate bomb. Yes. Income is a cancer. Yes. Income is a time bomb. Yes, sir. Income is a disaster. Yes. Income is a climate health. Yes. So we have to stop it. Now. So we call upon the terror energies. Now. We call upon Sino. Now. To leave Uganda alone. Now. No Ugandan deserves to have a pipeline of crude oil in her backyard. Now. If a pipeline busts, that means death. Oh my God. You've seen the disaster in Niger Delta. Shame. We don't want the disaster in Uganda. In Biafra. So, ECOP has to stop. Now. Stop ECOP 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 now. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Let me in order review the presidents who have been in America since Museveni came to power. President Ronald Reagan was in power when Museveni is president. Ronald Reagan went. President Bill Clinton came in. Yes. Museveni is president. Bill Clinton left. Yes. You know who came next? No. Bush Senior. Yes. Bush Senior left. Yes. Museveni is president. Yes. You know who came next? No. Bush Jr. Yes. Bush Jr. left. Yes. Museveni is still president. Yes. You know who came next? No. Barack Obama. Yes. He left. Yes. Museveni is still president. Yes. You know who came next? No. Donald Trump. Yes. Museveni is still president. Yes. You know who is there now? No. A shameless Joe Biden. You know who is there now? No. A shameless Joe Biden. This Joe Biden, in the name of Joe, he has been fighting for democracy at Capitol Hill for 40 years. He's putting down his reputation by dining with dictators. Joe Biden, why? Joe Biden, why? You've had a good reputation. Why are you managing it now? Why are you managing it now? Joe Biden, you've been a freedom fighter. Why are you managing your reputation? Joe Biden, you've been struggling for freedom. Joe Biden, you presided over the change of laws regarding human rights in America. Why are you managing it now? Why are you managing it? Joe Biden, stand up. Get on your feet. Because you are a senior in the politics of America. You are a senior on foreign policies. You are a senior in the politics. You are a senior in humanity. President Joe Biden, stand up now. Listen to our call. Listen to Iran. Listen to America. Listen to Uganda. Listen to the Oromo people. Listen to Cameroonians. Listen to the Chadians. Listen to Ugandans. Listen to Congolese. Listen to Rwandese. Listen to Kenyans. Listen to Guinea Conakry. Listen to Guinea. Guinea Bissau. Listen to Sierra Leone. Listen to Liberia. Listen to Biafra. Listen to Niger Delta. People are dying in Africa. You know who is enjoying? A few dictators. A few dictators. A few dictators. Stop enjoying the blood of Africans. Stop enjoying the blood of Africans. Stop enjoying the blood of Africans. Ladies and gentlemen, I wasn't born when Museveni is president. I wasn't born when Museveni is president. I have a child. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Museveni is still president. I wasn't born when Museveni is president. I have 2 children. Museveni is still president. He has robbed me of my future. I'm supposed to be in Uganda. I'm on the streets of America doing petty jobs. I have a degree. You know what my future? Dictator Museveni. And who's funding him? Who's funding Museveni? Who's funding Museveni? Who's funding Museveni? Lincoln, where are you? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln? Ladies and gentlemen, I can't wait. My child, my son, to fight this war. Just to end the me. Just to end the me. The war to end the me. The war for human rights. The war for free speech. The war for freedom. Has to end in my generation. Has to end the me. My son shouldn't fight this war. Has to end the me. My son has to be free. My daughter has to be free. My grandkids has to be free. My grandkids has to be free. My son has to be free. My daughter has to be free. My grandchildren should be free. This war is ending on me. Museveni is a murderer. President Biden knows it. Because he was a foreign policy. Once upon a time, Biden was Secretary of State. Biden was occupying this office. He knows everything. He knows what Museveni has done in the past 37 years. He knows what Bobi has done in the past 40 years. He knows what Obiang has done in the past 40 years. He knows what Kagame has done in the past 26 years. He knows what Bobi is doing in the past 11 years. How many times should Africans cry? How many times should Africans cry? How should we cry? How should we express ourselves? Africans, yes, this should end on us. Now, this should end on us. Now, our children shouldn't suffer. Our children shouldn't cry. Our children shouldn't fight. My daughter shouldn't fight this war. My daughter shouldn't fight Museveni. My daughter shouldn't fight Muhoozi. My son shouldn't fight Muhoozi. Museveni wants to put his son. Dictator Museveni has to put his son. He wants to put his son as president. My son is not fighting this war. People power. Mukoye. Tunaba Mukowa. Mukoye. Tunaba Mukoye. Tunaba Mukoye.
The message continues to go, and the message is, why should Okutabangawo be sponsored and funded by this first world country, USA? That is the message. That is the clear message. That is the clear message. Why should the first world country be sponsoring a dictator who is fond of murdering Ugandans, abducting them? The people he claims elected him. He claims they elected him and he was sworn in duly as an elected leader. Why should he be sponsored by the US? A gentleman who keeps on killing Ugandans. Ugandans are demanding for justice, for freedom, and that will come very soon. I'm just confident of that as a Ugandan. Yes, I am a journalist and I'm going to be a journalist, but I must rise up and fight for my country.
We are heading to the convention center. The convention center is where Museveni and the other dictators are dining with Joe Biden. They were supposed to sit here. They were supposed to have the conference here. But they changed at the last minute. We have to go to the convention center and speak our voices loud and tell these dictators that this is a new generation. That this is a new generation. They are not backing up. Yeah, the bands are coming to take us to the convention center where dictators are dining with Joe Biden, a very powerful president who has been in the strong books of history. Joe Biden is destroying his history. Joe Biden, you're destroying your legacy. Joe Biden, you're just your legacy. You've been a strong president who has advocated for democracy, who has advocated for peace. Why are you managing your legacy? Because of foreign policies and humanity. Money.
Like I was telling you, many people here comments, yet I'm not working. Did I shoot myself not to be working for the past 2 years? No, I didn't. The fact is, whoever is here has a problem that forced him or her away from Uganda. And he or she was either forced out of Uganda by President Museveni and his team. Is that the way a person claims to have been elected? Handle the people that he leads? I wouldn't want to come to the US and do this. I was doing my work, earning my money back home. Do you know why I came here? I was just hoped and brought to this country to be treated. And that's what I'm chasing for. To get my second surgery on my head. You understand, comrades? You understand what I'm saying? So the issue is, not every person that is here, not every person that is here is a person who hates being in Uganda. These people want to be in Uganda. These people have been in Uganda. These people were born in Uganda and they want to be there. But look, you come to this coordinates and be this side looking for a surgery. Why? Because Museveni has tortured you. You understand? You understand?
We are the Ugandans. We the Ugandans. My name is Fatu. I'm from Sierra Leone. I'm friends of Uganda. We are down here today in Washington because of the African Summit. So we're here to show our dissatisfaction for the Museveni regime down in Uganda. As you all know, the world is watching, and we know the atrocity that our brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers are going through in Uganda. We are therefore calling upon the Biden regime because we consider the United States as a free country. But now you are showing us that you are another regime that is here to sponsor the Museveni regime so he will continue to kill our people in Uganda. We are calling upon all of the taxpayers in the United States to stand with Ugandans and stop the atrocity and stop the funding in Uganda. Museveni is here today. We are telling Museveni to stop killing our people in Uganda. Free all of the political prisoners. Stop arresting. Stop adopting people for no reason, Museveni. You have been in power for 37 years. What have you given to the Ugandans? What have you done for the Ugandans? Stop killing our people in Uganda. You know you stole the election of 2021. You know you killed over 100 people on the streets of Uganda, of Kampala, as a matter of fact. We are calling upon all of the Ugandans back home and abroad to stand together and get rid of the Museveni regime. This regime is a bad thing for Uganda. So we are calling upon the United States, Joe Biden, to stand with Ugandans and get rid of the Museveni regime. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashraf, for letting me talk.
Freedom fighters, you're welcome.
Welcome. Thank you so much for that message. Like Shia said, President Museveni continues to abduct Ugandans, continues.
How do you say thank you in Oromo?
Continues.
Galatomi.
Guys. Hey, folks, let's take a photo and then we'll move on.
Oh, group photo. Yeah, group
Now, Selena.
Come on, guys.
I wanted to mention something to you later.
Okay, like as always, when Museveni moves, he moves with people, and right now I'm seeing several of them that I suspect to be guys of SFC, but we shall get to know them because they are with us, and we shall be able to expose them. Yes, like I told you, I've seen like 3 members of the SFC suspected to be Ugandans too, and we shall soon expose them and tell them the facts that whoever Museveni has sent them here to spy, they are spying nothing, because Ugandans are saying everything publicly and they are ready to say it to the truth of Mr. Museveni to stop abducting Ugandans, killing Ugandans. He's a guy who says he was elected, duly elected. He's sworn in duly as an elected president. Then why should he kill his opponents? Why should he kill whoever supports Bobi Wine? Why should he torture whoever supports NUP, the National Unity Platform? Is that the right track? It isn't. It isn't. It isn't. Look at these guys here. Yes, I'm soon showing them to you. They are covering themselves, but I'm soon showing them to you. Yes, these guys here. We shall get to know them. That woman now hiding, trying to run away. It's okay. We shall soon get to know each other. No worries. This gentleman too, they pretend to be people, Ugandans, trying to be part of us, but we welcome you guys. We are all Ugandans. Yes, we do. We welcome you, whatever the case. Yes, your boss should send you here to be able to. You're spying nothing. We are all Ugandans. You understand? Thank you. No. We should get to know you and him. This gentleman here covering themselves. We should get to know you. We should get to know them. No. We should get to know them.
No, it's fine. You don't know everybody.
We should get to know them. Why did I come to you? Why did I come to you?
It's okay. It's okay.
Introduce yourself as well.
My name is Ashraf Kasira. My is from Uganda. Yes.
Who are you?
Yes.
NUP party?
Yes, I'm Ashraf Kasi. I'm a journalist from Uganda. I was shot on my head and I came this way for surgery. So, who are you? Him and hand you.
Him and hand you? You know, we are in a country where...
No sense.
Freedom. Now you are running away.
Because I can't even talk to you because I know who sent you here.
No.
I know.
They are not. I can vouch for them.
Yeah, so when they came, where they were going.
Ashraf,
Okay, Ugandans, I'm sorry for that reaction, but we have such people and we must tell them the facts. Yes, I have told them the facts and they're now trying to... They think they can come here and torture us once again. They can't. So the Ugandans here are just saying they want the freedom that they have. They want the freedom that they have. They want the freedom that they have.
Let's all gather for this photo, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, guys.
Another one?
Yeah, come on. Guys, come on. Let's gather here. This gentleman wants to take the gentleman here wants to take a photo of us.
They think covering themselves with masks, we don't know them. We know them.
Let's put up a piece. Are you guys taking a video?
Ugandans are here to demand for freedom, to demand for their rights. Stop the abuse of human rights in Uganda, Mr. Museveni. Yeah, you should stop and you should go away from Uganda. This is Uganda. This is Uganda, a country where we are all born. I have a right to study, I have a right to do my work as a journalist. No,
people power! Our power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! Why are we here? Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding!
to do their work.
US is funding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! Uganda is bleeding!
Assistant guys are here doing their work.
US is funding! Ladies and gentlemen, we are here because Uganda has had one president when the US has had 7 different presidents.
Dictator.
Uganda has had only one president when what is his name? The first president. Ronald Reagan was president of America. Museveni was president of Uganda. Shame. When Ronald Reagan was president of America, Museveni was president of Uganda. Shame. When Bill Clinton was president of America, Museveni was president of Uganda. Shame. When Bush Sr. was president of America, Museveni was president of Uganda. Shame. When Bush Jr. was president of Uganda, Museveni was president of Uganda. When Bush Sr. Jr. was president of the US, Museveni was president of Uganda. When Obama was president of America, Museveni was still the president of Uganda. When Donald Trump was president of America, Museveni was still the president of America. When Joe Biden is president of America, Museveni is still president of Uganda. And now Joe Biden invites the dictator to dine with him. Shame on Biden! 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 We're dying with the dictator, ladies and gentlemen. Right now we have 2 honorable MPs who who are incarcerated, who are in jail. They have been in prison for 1 year and a half, and they are there on trumped-up charges. This is dictator Museveni suppressing them because they are opposition. And it is so unfortunate that a man with great integrity, a man who has built his integrity in foreign policy, a man who has built his integrity in human rights, that is His Excellency Joe Biden, is dining with him right now. It is a big shame for Blinken.
Share Conrad's names while they're filming.
Shame Anthony Blinken. Shame to Kamala. Shame to President Joe Biden, because they have destroyed their legacy that they have built for the past 50 years. People power, our power. People power, our power. Our brother here, ladies and gentlemen, this is my brother Ashraf Kasirye. He was shot. This is our brother Ashraf Kasirye. He was shot on the head when he is on the campaign trail of His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, and is here to seek medication. His skull was broken by the gunshot, so he's in the US to seek medical surgery. They are going to rebuild his skull. That is why he's wearing this helmet.
Right.
All the scars and the pain he has gone through in the past 2 years has been inflicted on him by the dictator Museveni. So we are going through hard times in Uganda, and the Americans should also stand up. Their money shouldn't be wasted on funding dictators in Africa. Please, let's give a chance to Comrade Kasirye to say a word or two. Then we'll see you next program. Thank you.
Kunga Kasirye kunga. Kunga Kasirye kunga. Kunga Ashraf kunga.
Members, I will just say a few words. Uganda is being misled by a person who claims having been elected by Ugandans. Uganda is being misled by a person who claims to having been elected by Ugandans.
Yes.
I am a journalist. I was covering the presidential campaign by the presidential candidate Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, also known as Bobi Wine. That time I saw people being killed every day. I kept on streaming live on my media house, the media house that I was working for. I kept on taking photos. I kept on writing down whoever was being killed and tortured during the campaigns in 2021-2020. However, Mr. Museveni and his forces decided to shoot me on my head. For 2 years, my skull hasn't been working the way it was working. For 2 years, I'm not being able to go back to work as a journalist. I'm a trained professional. I've been doing my work as a person who loved my country, as a person who loves all Ugandans, including Museveni himself, who claims to be Ugandan. But the point is, this is a gentleman who doesn't seek to respect the human rights of Ugandans.
No.
And we must all rise up as Ugandans and agitate for our rights. If you're a Ugandan, you are a Ugandan. No one should abuse you, no one should arrest you, no one should abduct you, no one should torture you, no one should kill you. A person who claims to be a president of Uganda keeps on ordering his forces to abduct Ugandans, to torture them and kill them. Why? Because they support Bobi Wine, the opposition candidate, because they support the NUP. This should stop. And I thank Ugandans for standing out here in the US to demonstrate. I'll go back to my work and I thank you.
Kunga Kasirye kunga. Kunga Kasirye kunga. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding. Fellow citizens. Fellow citizens, I have one question to ask.
Senior countrymen.
I have one question to ask. I'm not going to hold you too long. We are paying taxes. Our kids in Michigan Flint, their bodies are filled with lead. Our children in Uganda, the young ones, the youth, Their bodies are filled with lead, bullets made out of lead. Now I would like to ask you, fellow citizens, those who are voting, should your money, $1 billion annually, go to Museveni? I say no. This is where it is. The people in Michigan are suffering, the poor one, the black, because their water is not filtered. They have lead. The young one in Uganda, the youth, their bodies are mangled. They are filled with lead. Cuts off the United States $1 billion annually. Is that where you want your money? No. I say no. Next time you vote, put this in your head. Next time you vote, and I know some of you vote, remember what your taxes are doing to your fellow countrymen here in Michigan that don't have water.
We should all stop.
They have lead in their bodies.
We should all stop.
The youth in Uganda have lead in their bodies. Kati saw Mr. Blinken, who sends $1 billion annually to a dictator Museveni. Think about it next time you vote. Thank you. Thank you.
Convention center, guys. We fit in the cars. Everybody, if you don't have a car, just get the car.
Okay, these are the members, the police officers that are protecting us, not torturing us, and we are happy for that. I think I'm gonna be live as we travel to the conference where it has been transferred, and you're going to be seeing everything live.
Guys, get in the car, they're chasing us out here.
Everything live. So as I enter the car,
oh my God,
we shall all be following and getting to know what is going to happen on the entire demonstration. We are still live and we are doing the work.
they're more than enough.
Okay, we are there.
Chris, how many are there? How many of those do you have?
There is another.
That one? No, that, yeah.
I think for now, I should sign out for now and then come back in a few minutes from now. We are still holding the demonstrations. Thank you so much. Ashraf Kasidi, thank you for viewing Kk TV. Thank you for viewing Ashraf Kasidi and all other pages that are streaming live here from Washington DC. And we shall keep doing the work. Even if they wake up one day and hack the pages, we shall open up others and be able to stream live everything that happens wherever I am. I am this way in the US. I'm here for my surgery. I hope I'll now get it, and after that I'll be able to come back to Uganda and do my work. Either arrest me, kill me, shoot me, but I am a Ugandan and I'm working towards the betterment of my children, my grandchildren, and whoever will be behind me as a Ugandan. I'm here to fight for them. So don't say Ashraf is there enjoying. I'm not this way enjoying. I'm this way doing the work that I deserve to do as a Ugandan. Thank you so much. I'm signing out for now, but a few minutes from now I'll be back live on Ashraf Kasidi, Kk TV, JB Monge, and many other pages that are streaming live right from here in Washington DC. Bye bye for now.